Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
Designed with families in mind, the Celestron Exploroscope will have you observing the universe in no time, even if you've never used a telescope before. These classic refractor and Newtonian reflector telescopes have been upgraded with new features to provide a rewarding experience your first night out. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a night of stargazing, including 2 eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens that triples the power of each eyepiece, and a full-height aluminum tripod. Your Exploroscope also includes a high-quality star pointer red dot finder scope that makes it easy to aim your telescope at objects. The strong, yet lightweight mount provides added stability, while an improved slow-motion rod helps you track objects as they appear to move across the night sky. Every Exploroscope provides great views of the Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, and the brightest deep sky objects, including the Orion Nebula. With correct image optics, you can also use your Exploroscope for daytime observations of birds, wildlife, and more. Choose the largest 114mm Newtonian reflector for the brightest, most detailed views day or night. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!
Meade's new LX85 series features a high-quality, portable, go-to German equatorial mount with AudioStar handbox. The LX85 series is the perfect choice for the cultivated observer and astroimager looking to chase deep sky objects. Use as a standalone mount, or maximize your viewing potential with an array of different optical tubes to choose from. Meade's LX85 series will keep you looking up for many years to come and set a standard for mid-sized telescopes at a great price. The LX85 features a Vixen-style dovetail receiver for mounting observing equipment up to 33 pounds, coupled with a sturdy build and low-cog servo motors that ensure smooth tracking performance. This stable mount can impressively handle slight load imbalances with ease. With its built-in integer gearing motor drive, you'll be able to track through long exposure using Meade's Smart Drive feature for recording permanent periodic correction. Seamlessly image the best parts of the night sky without having to worry about performing a meridian flip. The LX85 mount also includes an integrated AutoGuider port to readily connect to your AutoGuider camera, making your astro imaging experience easy and straightforward. If these features weren't already enough, the LX85 is compatible with Meade Zero Image Shift electronic microfocuser and wired illuminated reticles. With the included AudioStar hand controller, you have easy access to over 30,000 objects that you can view with the simple press of a button. AudioStar's Astronomer Insight technology features a built-in speaker that plays over 4 hours of educational content about the celestial objects you view. With the LX85 series, changing optical...
Hey everyone, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and this is the Orion Space Probe 2 76mm reflecting telescope, an equatorial reflecting telescope. It's 76mm, that's around 3 inch, on top of an equatorial mount that's designed to track along with the Earth's axis of rotation once you've aligned it. So when you're following the moon or planets or whatever object, all you have to do is just twist this knob and it will follow along through the night sky. Or you can add a motor drive and keep it centered in the field of view very simply. It comes with 2 eyepieces, a 25 and a 10mm eyepiece. That's your low power and your medium high power. It comes with a finder scope on the side to help aim it. The tripod comes with an accessory tray here to leave your eyepieces that you're not currently using. Maybe if you got a Barlow lens or the other eyepiece. If right now I've got a 25mm in there, I can put the 10mm down here. A scope of this size can see all sorts of things in the night sky, primarily moon and planets. You can see the craters on the moon, the rings of Saturn, the moons around Jupiter. If you pump in the higher power eyepiece or even add on more magnification, you can see a couple of cloud bands across the surface of Jupiter. If you look into the deep sky, a 76mm is, it sucks in enough light for the brighter of the deep sky objects. So the Orion Nebula, would come out nice and detailed. Andromeda Galaxy, you'd see a nice oval structure. Any number of star clusters. The Pleiades, that's an open star cluster. M13, the globular cluster in Hercules, is very visible with something like this, as long as you can get away from the city lights. If you're in town with all the light pollution.
Star Pro AZ is the perfect scope for the novice astronomer seeking to explore the universe. Available in 70, 80, 90, and 102 millimeter apertures, the Star Pro AZ has everything you need to start observing the night sky right out of the box. The Star Pro AZ features a newly designed single-arm alt-azimuth mount with slow-motion control cables on both axes, making your observing experience a breeze. This new mount also features a Vixen-style dovetail receiver, giving you the ability to use different optical tubes. Easily organize your accessories with the integrated accessory holder located on the sturdy tripod. The Star Pro AZ comes with 3 1.25-inch eyepieces, a 2x Barlow lens, and a red dot viewfinder to easily help you locate objects in the night sky. This telescope includes Meade's smartphone adapter that allows you to take images of the night sky through the eyepiece. Capture great details of the moon and even the rings of Saturn. Also included is the AutoStar Suite Astronomer Edition software on DVD to help you learn about objects in the night sky. The Star Pro AZ is an easy-to-use portable telescope for the on-the-go astronomer. Each optical tube offered with the Star Pro AZ includes fully coated optics resulting in bright, clear images of the moon, planets, nebula, and more.
Superior optics, elegant design, and an easy-to-use mount come together in the Omni XLT AZ series. Choose from a 102mm refractor, 114mm reflector, or 130mm reflector, and begin exploring your world from day to night. An all-new alt-azimuth mount makes aiming the telescope at objects simple and intuitive. The slip clutches in both axes allow for quick aiming, while the worm gear slow-motion controls allow fine adjustment as tracking of your target. The mount's raked-back design allows you to point at celestial objects directly overhead. You'll be observing the moon, the rings of Saturn, Jupiter and its cloud belts, plus dazzling nebulae and star clusters far beyond our solar system. Locating these objects is easier than ever with Celestron's new Star Pointer Pro Finder Scope, included with your Omni XLT AZ. The larger lens and concentric circle reticle make it easier to acquire and center the objects you wish to view in the eyepiece. Room with a view? The Omni XLT AZ is perfect for high windows and balconies. Adjust the mount's arm so it is in the vertical position, and you'll have no trouble observing objects